Hey you guys, Tom here from Transform Scottsdale. I'm here with Dr. E, and I have a lot of clients who play golf here in the Valley, and they're obviously hitting one-sided the whole time, which winds up that one side. And I was just wondering if there's some tips on how they could unwind that.
Yeah, totally. So I'll give you two really helpful tips. One's pretty basic and common sense. So let's say you're a right-handed golfer and you're always swinging into the left hip. One thing to do is just actually take a lot of swings and practice swings going the other direction. So not necessarily going out and buying an opposite club or playing golf the opposite way because your game would be horrible, but just to use the club and take a lot of practice swings going the opposite way. Just symmetrically wise, it's just good for your body to feel just mobility moving both directions. So swing the opposite direction, that can be really helpful. And the second thing I would highly recommend is getting some tissue work done. So if you feel like you're really tight, or playing those sports where you're just one-dimensional, kind of like swinging to the left, or you're a pitcher, is getting some tissue work done. So tissue hygiene is a great term, and we use that at Impact Physical Therapy, where we just have patients come in periodically and get worked on, just to make sure that those tightnesses and restrictions in the connective tissue are getting worked out, so that you're a little more free, and so that demand of over and over and over repetitive motions not creating some issues or pain and restrictions in your body. So number one, just swing the other way and do patterning the opposite direction as a warm-up, and then number two, just getting your tissue worked on to help kind of break up those restrictions.
Perfect, thanks a lot.